Hey guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Amado Oshini, and today we're going to be learning about cells. Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have three things in common. All cells have a cell membrane which separates the inside of the cell from the environment. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and also a DNA. DNA is which is the cell genetic material. There's two categories of cells: eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are like more advanced and complex cells and have a nucleus. They also involve with animals and plants, while prokaryotics don't have a nucleus. They have genetic material but don't contain the nucleus, and they are also a nucleic organism, such as bacteria. An organelle are the specialized parts of the cell that have unique jobs to perform. The, the nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. The DNA detects what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. The chromatin the chromatin tangles and spreads out form of DNA. It's a spread out form of DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. And when it div- when the cell divides, it brings out a structure named it changes to a structure named chromosome. Chromosome is a shred-like structure of nucleic acid and protein, and it's also a protein found in the nucleus of most living cells. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. This is also a ribosome. This is a ribosome. After ribosomes leaves the nucleus, they will start to make protein. Once ribosomes are out of the nucleus, they will either be floating in the cytoplasm jelly or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as ER. There are two types of ER: rough ER and smooth ER. Rough ER has ribosomes attached to it, while smooth ER does not have ribosomes attached to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane that transports materials such as protein. The endoplasmic reticulum transports protein, which turns into vacuoles going to the Golgi apparatus. You can also call it the Golgi body, but I'm gonna just call it the Golgi body so it could be easier to say. The Golgi body looks like a Wi-Fi. It kind of reminds me of a Wi-Fi signal, and what it does is take things like protein and other molecules and transport it around or out of the cell. Once the vacuoles are in the Golgi body, they are folded up into a kind of like an unusual shape, and they are adding other materials into the right into the ribosome, and they're adding materials like lipids or carbohydrates. Vacuoles are storage that takes. So as you can see right here, kind of looks like the Wi-Fi signal just a bit, right? And this is the vacuoles coming out of the um, endoplasmic reticulum. And this is how I see it. It kind of looks like a Wi-Fi. Vacuoles are storage tanks that cells uses to hold water, and it's only in the plant cell. So whenever the plant cell doesn't have enough water, the vacuole it shrinks, and the plant just dies. It dies out. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but they're important because they take food and turn it into energy for the rest of the cell that can use it. As you can see right here, this is the mitochondria. Lysosomes are garbage collectors that takes in damaged or worn out cell parts, and they have enzymes that breaks down the cells that they collect. Cytoskeleton keeps and maintains the shape of a cell. Like right as you can see right here, it kind of just maintains like the cell overall. And this is a vacuole, if you guys wondering. This is this huge water tank right here is a vacuole. So if it shrinks, the plant just dies. And we're gonna be just a reminder, like just to keep your heads up about. I'm just gonna be talking about blood cells, right? So this is blood is made out of red blood. Blood is made out of red blood cells, which is known as erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. One drop of blood contains 5 million red blood cells. They only live for 120 days, and every second of the body makes 25 million blood cells per second. White blood cells are a set of army that protects our body from diseases. They only there's only 1% of white blood cells in our blood, but they're very important. There's two types of white blood cells: phagocytes and as you can see right here, phagocytes and lymphocytes. And as you can see, they both contain the nucleus, and they both have cytoplasm. As I said earlier, the cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid, and the nucleus is what contains the DNA and brings out ribosomes. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Samad OSHAD, and make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And bye.